ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, in and out, in and out. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 6, 7, 8. Roll in and out. Roll in and out. Left arm goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right side. So I lift the hip, step, then I'm already curving to start my contraction. And I want to think about tucking my tail, tucking my chin, so that way I'm in my ultimate contracted position. So I'm thinking about my belly button to my spine, so then I can dive through and arch the head and tail. Now that we're going fast, we can stay up, and it's a little bit more cute. It's a more just rolling through the hips rather than feeling through the hips. That was more for the first time. Now I'm going roll and roll and roll and roll. We got a groove in order to do that too. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and left. 6. Right side. Right. 2, 3.